Welcome to another Sobotta Computers Presents. We're going to make spaghetti and meatballs tonight. First, fill up the pan all the way halfway of your big pan for boiling big noodles like spaghetti or other linguine and other long noodles. Get it to halfway point and then put it on the stove for a half an hour to an hour. So we want to do front, put on 5 or 6 and let it cook. Next we're going to get the pre-made meatballs. You can do this in the microwave or in the oven. We're going to do the oven. So we set it to 350. And then get some parchment paper or tin foil or aluminum foil. Make sure you get enough to fill the thing or fill the tray up. Put as many meatballs as you want. We're going to do that many there. And we'll let that preheat to 350. Another thing you can do is just turn up the heat on the water so you get good, make it cook faster in a half an hour, more like 15 to 20 minutes instead of a half an hour to an hour. So put it up to at least, I would say 7 or 8, and then it'll start boiling faster. You get your meal done quicker. It'll taste the same as if it was just taking its sweet time. Water's starting to boil. We'll put in the spaghetti. And then we got the pan out for our sauce. We got traditional sauce. For a family of 4 or 4 or more, use the whole box. If you have a 2-pound, you have a 1-pounder. Use the whole box, 2 for 4 people. 2 to 4 people. If you're just alone, you can cook the whole thing up if you want to, so you don't have to cook it later. And let's just do that. We're going to cook the whole 2 pounders of spaghetti. Now we're going to warm up the sauce on the front, or the rear, because it's bigger. Put it on 6. We have 4 minutes left on the meatballs. I'm going to let this cook. Shake as much out as you can. You can use a spatula to get it even cleaner, but we're not going to do that. Get as much of the sauce out of the pan as you can. Occasionally stir the sauce while it's cooking. You can move up the heat a little bit if you need to. We're going to cook the sauce in with the meatballs in here. In 6 seconds we'll put the meatballs in if they're done. We're right there. Turn down the meat, or the sauce, to about 3. And you can occasionally stir it. We have 53 seconds until the meatballs are done. The spaghetti needs to cook a little longer. We'll let it boil. And the sauce looks like it's done. We're going to put the meatballs in there and we're just going to let them cook in the pan a little more. See if they're done. Put them in a thermometer. Just let them cook as long as you need to. Like, you got the spaghetti needs a little more time. They're getting there though. So we'll be done in about 10 minutes. A way to test if the spaghetti is done is to take a fork or a plastic fork or something and grab one and taste it. That tastes like it's done. Here's the meal. We'll probably have to buy more sauce. Thank you for watching Andy's Sobotta Computers and Andy's Computer Shack. And thank you for watching all my videos. Bye.